Imagine starting your day with a simple cup of coffee that not only fuels your energy, but also supercharges your body's natural fat-burning processes and rejuvenates your cells from the inside out. Sounds very good, right? Today, we're revealing how you can easily harness the power of coffee to boost fat release and promote autophagy, your body's natural cell recycling crew. You'll love this video. Welcome to Levitas. Autophagy is a vital process that your body uses to maintain cellular health by cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating newer, healthier ones. The term autophagy literally translates to self-eating. Don't let the name scare you. Autophagy is one of the most beneficial processes your body undergoes. It plays a critical role in removing dysfunctional proteins and organelles, reducing inflammation, and even fighting off infections. When autophagy is active, your body essentially recycles old cells, which can help prevent many age-related diseases, including cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and cardiovascular issues. Moreover, autophagy enhances metabolic functions, making it easier to burn fat and maintain a healthy weight. Engaging in practices that stimulate autophagy, such as intermittent fasting, regular exercise, and, yes, drinking coffee, can dramatically improve your overall health and longevity. The best part? You can effortlessly incorporate these practices into your daily routine. Not all coffee is the same when it comes to boosting autophagy and fat release. If you're aiming to maximize these benefits, opt for organic, high-quality black coffee. The key here is to avoid adding sugar, artificial sweeteners, or heavy creamers that can spike insulin levels and potentially interfere with the fat-burning and autophagy processes. Black coffee, particularly when consumed in a fasted state, has been shown to increase ketone production, enhance fat oxidation, and stimulate autophagy. The caffeine in coffee also helps to increase metabolic rate and improve energy expenditure, making it an excellent tool for those looking to shed those extra pounds. Additionally, organic coffee is free from pesticides and harmful chemicals that could negate its health benefits. So, when brewing your cup of coffee, keep it simple and pure for the best results. What are the 5 easy ways to increase fat release and autophagy with coffee? 1. Mixing MCT oil into your coffee is a game changer for those looking to enhance fat release. MCT, or medium-chain triglycerides, are fats that are quickly absorbed and converted into ketones by the liver, providing a fast and sustained energy source. When you add MCT oil to your coffee, it can help suppress appetite, increase fat oxidation, and support ketone production, especially in a fasted state. Additionally, MCT oil can amplify the adrenaline spike caused by caffeine, giving you an extra boost in energy and alertness. This combination of MCT oil and coffee can enhance your workout performance, promote fat release, and further stimulate autophagy. Start with a small amount, about 1 teaspoon, and gradually increase to 1 tablespoon to allow your body to adjust. 2. Carnitine is an amino acid derivative that plays a crucial role in transporting fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria, where they are burned for energy. By adding carnitine to your coffee, you can enhance your body's ability to burn fat, especially during exercise. Carnitine supplementation has been shown to improve exercise performance, increase fat oxidation, and reduce muscle soreness after workouts. When combined with coffee, carnitine's fat-burning effects are amplified due to the caffeine-induced increase in adrenaline and energy expenditure. To incorporate carnitine into your coffee routine, you can use liquid carnitine or powdered supplements. A typical dose is around 1 to 3 grams, depending on your body weight and activity level. This combination can be particularly effective if consumed before your morning workout. 3. While honey might seem counterintuitive in a fat release regimen due to its sugar content, it's a natural sweetener that offers several health benefits. When used in moderation, honey can actually enhance your coffee's ability to promote fat release and autophagy. Raw honey contains a variety of antioxidants and enzymes that can support digestion and improve metabolic function. Moreover, honey has been shown to have a moderate impact on blood sugar levels compared to common sweeteners, making it a better option for those looking to maintain stable energy levels. The key is to use raw, unfiltered honey, which retains its nutritional properties. Just add a small amount, about half a teaspoon, to your coffee to enjoy its benefits without spiking your insulin levels. The antioxidants in honey can also help reduce inflammation, further supporting autophagy. 4. Theanine, An amino acid found in tea leaves is known for its calming effects and its ability to promote relaxation without causing drowsiness. When combined with caffeine from coffee, theanine can create a perfect balance, enhancing focus and reducing the jitteriness that some people experience with caffeine consumption. But theanine does more than just smooth out your coffee experience. It also promotes fat release and supports autophagy. Theanine has been shown to increase the levels of certain neurotransmitters in the brain, such as GABA, serotonin, and dopamine, which can improve mood, reduce stress, and support cognitive function. Reducing stress is key for fat release, as chronic stress can lead to weight gain, particularly around the abdomen. To use theanine with your coffee, you can take it as a supplement or mix it directly into your cup. The recommended dose is around 100 to 200 milligrams of theanine for every cup of coffee. This combination can help you stay focused, energized, and in fat-burning mode throughout the day. 5. Cinnamon is a powerful spice that not only adds a delicious flavor to your coffee, but also offers a range of health benefits, including boosting fat release and enhancing autophagy. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. By stabilizing blood sugar, cinnamon can prevent the energy crashes that lead to overeating and weight gain. Moreover, cinnamon contains potent antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and support autophagy. Adding just a pinch of cinnamon to your coffee can enhance its fat-burning properties and improve your overall metabolic health. Cinnamon also has thermogenic properties, meaning it can increase your body's heat production and energy expenditure, further supporting fat release. When using cinnamon, opt for Ceylon cinnamon, the true cinnamon, since it's safer for regular consumption compared to the more common cassia cinnamon. In conclusion, having coffee in moderation into your daily routine can be a powerful way to boost both fat release and autophagy, the body's natural process of cell renewal. Look for organic, high-quality black coffee to maximize these benefits, avoiding additives that can hinder results. Adding MCT oil to your coffee promotes ketone production and fat oxidation, while carnitine enhances the body's ability to burn fat during exercise. A touch of honey, when used sparingly, can provide antioxidants without spiking insulin levels. Theanine helps balance caffeine's stimulating effects, and cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, aiding in fat release and autophagy. These simple yet effective additions to your coffee can significantly improve metabolic health and support your weight release goals. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.